welcome to Cooking with Gabriel. Today we make breakfast. Breakfast is the first thing you want to eat every day. And on the camera it looks like the food is pink, but no, it is turning gold. There is my baby brother. Now today I already did sausages. Now we are making bacon. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Tíralo, give it to Dad.
Fine.
Since you want to cook the bacon, just leave it in a circle for at least a little bit. Then move it, flip it, and just grab your fork right here and just get forking.
Good cook, my son. Very good cook. I love it.
Now when the bacon starts to turn like that, on the camera it may look like it's pink, but it is not. It is actually golden. When it starts to have water in it for some reason, oil, you should start just stirring it. If some parts are pink, turn it around. That is sausage. Now, and then we have chorizo. So what you want to do is just keep stirring the bacon until it gets all crispy, crunchy, like a Butterfinger. The bacon must look like a Butterfinger, crispy and crunchy. And there is someone making a chorizo. There are two ways to make the bacon. Putting it like this straight, or just putting it any way you want. And you see, I have put it, well, my mom put it everywhere. Now it's hard. Well, both of them would have been hard anyways. Next episode, we will be talking about sandwiches, or AKA lunch.
What we cooking? It's bacon. Oh, I want some waffles.
Need a back up.
I want to.
After I had got a little oil onto my hand, now we are going to look at my baby brother, which is cute. Man, look it. Hey. And that includes our episode of Cooking with Gabriel. Breakfast.